Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a Chrysler Group certified 2018 Jeep Cherokee Latitude, stock number E1802P. 38,000 miles on this one owner. Clean auto check history report. Brilliant black in color. To be Chrysler Group certified, the vehicle goes through a very strict 125-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 3-month, 3,000-mile maximum care coverage, along with 24-hour roadside assistance and car rental allowance. Seats 5, cloth interior. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera for additional safety, and power liftgate for convenience. Lots of cargo space in the rear. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This Latitude has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel that puts you in that perfect driving position. Large, easy to read gauges with driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, large 8.4-inch touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices, heated seats as well as heated steering wheel, dual zone temperature control to make sure everyone's comfortable, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for the things used most often. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect those media devices. 9-speed automatic transmission with manual. Lots of storage space in the armrest with additional under-seat storage. And a spacious glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Overhead, auto-dimming mirror, and HomeLink transmitter for garage door opener. Under the hood, this Cherokee has the 3.2-liter V6, 271 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates are an average of 21 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 29 on the highway, and approximately 40% of the tire tread life. Don't forget about that Chrysler Group certification, protecting your investment. For more information, please go to Sheboygan Auto.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.